Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up win-loss reports in Salesforce for actionable insights, full guide step by step clearly. To set up win-loss reports in Salesforce, begin by logging into your Salesforce account. Once logged in, navigate to the Reports tab located in the main menu. Click on the New Report button to create a fresh report. In the report type selection, search for and select opportunities as your primary report type. Click Continue to proceed to the Report Builder interface. Within the Report Builder, locate the Filters pane on the left side. In the Filters pane, set the date range filter to your desired time frame. Next, add a filter for stage to include relevant opportunity stages like closed won and closed lost. Drag and drop fields into the report from the outline pane to include essential details such as opportunity name, close date, owner, and amount. Consider adding the loss reason field for deeper insights into lost opportunities. Label the report clearly for future reference, such as win-loss analysis report. Click on the Save and Run button to save your progress and view the report. To improve the usability of the report, apply sorting or grouping to analyze data more effectively. For visual representation, add charts from the Charts menu to illustrate win-loss trends. Customize chart types and settings based on your preferences for better clarity. Once satisfied with the report, you may wish to schedule it for regular distribution. Go to the Schedule Future Runs option and set your preferred frequency. Choose recipients to ensure your team receives the insights. Finally, save your configurations and close the report builder. Your win-loss report is now fully set up and ready to provide actionable insights for your team. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.